Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what's inside of a calculator. I just found this one, and so I'm just going to do a video on it. And when you shake it, some stuff moves around a lot. But this calculator is by Calibre, right there. There's the stuff about it. It's got dual power. So I just found this calculator and I'm just going to see what's inside of it. It's a normal calculator. 1 plus 1 equals 4. Ha. So now just undo this. There's the screws on the back that come out. Okay, here's the last one that's coming out. There. Screws all came out. Now here's the back cover. Nothing special about that. This is the stuff that's been flopping around. There's a display. Here's most of what the calculator part is about. It's the battery. Then the solar panel still works. There. Press down on these. Puts in numbers. That's what the back cover is for. So they're really touch sensitive. Can I put this up? Maybe. Here's the screen. Alright, there. It's pretty cool. Just tap it. I think that's a plus button. What's this? This is clear. Where's clear? Oh, here's clear. There. Put that back. And that's what's inside a calculator. All calculators have this black little tab there. That's where all the calculator stuff is. So yeah, that's what's inside of a calculator. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.